You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'd understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. So come on, you got it wrong. To prove I'm right, I put it in a song. I don't know why you're being shy and turn away when I look into your eyes. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell.
Happy birthday, Sunny Boy!
Message nyo.
Sana tumagal ka pa ng matagal dyan sa Dubai.
Ayaw ka ulit.
At ingatan ka palagi ng Panginoon. Huwag makalilimot na tumawag sa Panginoon.
Ano dala kayo?
Tatay.
Iiyak na naman si tatay, ha? Maiyak na ako.
Tatay.
Sige, si tatay lang.
Sabi mo, miss kita.
Miss na miss ka namin dito. Sige, ikaw naman. Tatay.
Happy birthday!
Parang birthday.
Kuya! Kuya ba yun?
Kuya daw, ikaw kuya. Matanda ka pa.
Sana marami kang maipon sa napakatagal nang hindi ka umuwi.
Pakabasita niya.
Nagchuchut ka bigay mo t-shirt sa kinanay ito, kung kanina ito. Kailan ang uwi? Kailan na uwi mo? Sa ano na? Kala ko December uwi.
2013.
At 2013, baka matagal yun.
Graduation.
Baka napakarami maipon.
Start na.
Ngayon na kinanay na.
Action!
Tato! Kamusta ka na dyan? Happy birthday sa iyo. Miss ka namin. Pinaghanda ka ni nanay ng pansit at tinapay. Happy birthday! Oh, si Kuya Ray.
Kuya Sunny!
Kuya Sanya.
Happy birthday!
Ay, babati tayo.
Ilan taon na ba si Sunny?
47.
47!
Isang 47 sa
Wow!
49.
Lamang lang pala ako sa isang taon, 49 lang ako. 48. Yeah.
Ayaw. Bigyan ka na kape. Bigyan ka na ng kape.
Happy
Salamat pala
birthday!
sa kape.
And many more blessed birthday to come. Kasi alam ko, pinagpapatubahan ka dyan ni Lord. At mula nung umalis ka hanggang ngayon, ang kanyang proteksyon ay nasa iyo.
Lagi ka namin pinagpipray.
Kaya ingat ka lang dyan and be good.
Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ninong!
Yung pa ko, 8.5. Happy birthday! Action!
Oh, yan.
Tutoy, alika dito.
Yeah.
Yan, hasalita pa eh.
Birthday, ha?
Mamaya na tutuloy.
Okay ba ako?
Mamaya, hasalita pa.
Hey!
Ikaw muna, panghuli ako eh. Happy birthday! Basta proud na proud ako sa'yo. Kung proud ka sa akin, mas proud ako sa'yo. Dahil, dahil kung proud ka sa akin, mas proud pa rin ako sa'yo. Alam ko, sa kabila ng marami kang pinagdaanan ng mga trial, talagang still alive and kicking ka pa rin. Mag-iingat ka lagi dyan, pero susulat pa rin ako sa'yo sa FB. Para mas personalize, ha? Ingat ka lagi dyan, love na love ka namin. Ito ang aking mga mababait at happy birthday dito sa atin.
Wala, ano na?
Happy birthday!
Ay, ganda naman.
Birthday, kuya!
Okay.
Happy birthday, Tito Sunny!
Maba, oh, pababa.
Ayan, hi ka doon.
Ayan.
Hi, Tito Sunny. Happy birthday, Tito Sunny. Ninong mo yan. Happy birthday, Ninong. Anong bilin mo? Happy birthday, Ninong. Mayo, ha?
Ay, tat. Kay Captain.
Happy birthday.
Mag-ingat ko po dyan, Ninong Sunny, kasi gusto pa rin ninyo makita.
Si Zeki. Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday sa
Tito.
Ate?
Tito Sunny.
Ingat ka.
Ate, mas ate. Ano na iba eh?
Mama.
Flying kiss.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Ingat
kayo dyan. Ayan. Ikaw naman.
Kuya, happy birthday. Ingat kayo dyan. Ginaya ko yung sinabi niya.
Parang Josephine ka.
May you have many more birthdays to come. Bye-bye!